What's up, traders? If you are in a leveraged Bitcoin long, you need to be out here with me in the nice, pretty sun, 60 degrees here in Atlanta. It's a great day to be outside getting exercise and distracting you from that kind of position. This video is prompted by a member of my Discord that came in, and he was saying that he was in a leverage long and he didn't know what to do. He was looking at volume, he was looking at price levels, he was trying to figure out when this thing was going to reverse because it's getting close to its liquidation point. And I've been there more than once. And I've really come to wonder, why do people need to use leverage on something that can move double digit percents in a day? I just don't see many people winning with leverage like they want to. They start with a small account, they need it to be bigger. So, how do you get there? Leverage. But what ends up happening is situations like this where people don't want to take that big loss and they blow out their account. I don't like seeing that because it happened to me and I've learned. And one of the things that they try to tell themselves is, well, I just hope this will come back, and maybe they're praying to God or something. And they promise that they're going to do better next time. Well, let's say it comes back. If you don't learn the lesson now, eventually the market will teach you. And so the question is, what's your tuition cost going to be? It could be the tuition that you're paying right now, whatever the loss is, or if it comes back, maybe gives you a profit. That just means there's more for you to lose later if you don't learn this simple thing about trading. And that's, leverage is not always a good thing. It's a double-edged sword. As far as Bitcoin goes right now, I think the fear index is at a very big high. And I can just tell that from my social media and the people that I'm talking to, because they're all worried. Everyone thought that this was the bounce, and there's good reason to. Pull back to a support that I've been watching, but it doesn't really get bullish for me until about 50K. And so my opinion is, since November, has not changed. It should have gone on to continue the bullish leg. Even anecdotally, my mom asked me about Bitcoin yesterday. She said she saw it on Fox News. When grandmothers are asking you about Bitcoin, it's not a bullish sign. So, hope you all, if you're in a bad position, you can learn the lesson cheaply. And if you're still holding on to it, just recognize that anything you do at this point, from an emotional standpoint, is going to be wrong. A lot of people are afraid to close out their position because they're afraid they're going to sell the bottom. Well, you probably will. It's not that the market hates you, it's that you are the market. And the bottom is maximum pain. And that's the point where people sell. Unless they have a plan with a risk model that lets them hang in there. You just don't have that option with leverage. It's just too big. So the question is, what's your tuition cost going to be? Is it what it is now? Is it the whole account? Or is it more later? That's really the only thing you need to think about right now. Not about this loss, but what lesson you're going to learn from it and take forward with you. That's the only way to really rise above and trade wisely. I'll see you guys in the next video.